What's up guys, I'm back with another video. It's protective style season for me and we are gonna be achieving this look right here. So if you want to see how, then keep watching. So this is the method I used. First things first, this part is very explanatory. I completely parted and braid down my hair first. I know some people like to do the whole process as the goal, but for me, I prefer to do it this way. I get to move a lot faster as I do it. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. So now that I have my whole hair braided, let's get into the next phase. I did half braid, half twist to make it easier for me, and this is the 42 inches locks that I'll be using. So here I'll be showing you how I crochet the lock through my braid. This is the simplest way to do this, I guess, at least for me it is, because when it's time to take it down, the takedown process is so much easier. So I put the latch hook through my braid, then attaching the lock on the hook and take it through my braids to secure it tightly by pulling the lock through the loop. I don't know if you get that. So I'll do it again and repeat the process. I'm putting the latch hook through my braid, then attaching the lock on the hook, and then take it through my braids to secure it tightly by pulling the lock through the loop. So now let's get into the wrapping. I'll be using this kinky hair for my wrapping. I do not crochet this kinky hair through the base of my braid of my natural hair. What I do is to free wrap the kinky hair from the root of my braid a little bit tight so it doesn't get loose, and then I just wrap it down from there until my natural hair is all covered. So I'm gonna go over it again. I'm gonna free wrap the kinky hair around the root of my hair a little bit tightly to make it secured, and then I wrap it down until my natural hair is covered up, and I do the rolling with my palm to give it this to give the kinky hair the lock look. Get that right? In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true, nobody else made it smooth, nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit, right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. So all done, I'm just going to take my rosemary oil and oil my scalp and give it a little massage to enable blood circulation and hair growth. So this is the final look. I will go ahead and cut some inches from the lock hair and kind of make it even in length. This lock hair is not heavy at all, in case you think that, oh, it is heavy because it is pretty long. No, it's not heavy, and that is why I made it just 32 strands of lock on my hair, because definitely if it's more than that, then it's going to be way heavy. This is lightweight and I love it. As you can see, it's still long no matter how much I cut from it. So yeah, this is the final look, and thanks for watching. If you're new here, my name is Mima Prince and I do anything hair on this channel, so please subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed, and I will see you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of the video.